friends, Access House of Fun, and today I am going to tell you about my Jarvis program which I have written with Python script and in Visual Studio. I am opening this. This is the executable file that I will run to show you, and in last I will explain a little bit about the code. And if you want me to explain this code throughout, then please comment down below so that I can know. And if you want more of these Python interesting video, then please comment about that too. So this is loading the Python extension. You can see this code. This code is about, you can see many lines, and this code I have written for myself. So let us run this executable file and see.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Jarvis on duty.
The time, Jarvis.
Sir, the time is 17 hours 47 minutes and 48 seconds.
Open folder.
Yes, sir.
And now it has opened my folder, so that in this way you can see how it is so much efficient. I will make you some more of these things. Let me close this folder. Okay, now let me again put on open Google. So it is recognizing, listening, and then it will say, act as what it is saying. So by the term open Google. Okay. So you can see it is opening Google. Okay, I've told him 2 times, that's why he is opening the 2 times. So you can see open my channel. Now it is opening my channel. So it is taking some time to open. You can see my channel is here. So now let's try something else. Machine learning on Wikipedia. So now it will search Wikipedia and tell
Searching
me all
Wikipedia.
about that thing.
According to Wikipedia, machine learning, ML, is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience.
Speaking also, and
it is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence.
Thing also. Play music.
Yes, sir.
So you can see it is now playing music too. So I have to cut it for closing the music. So you can see how it was working. Now I will again execute this file and show you some more features.
Good afternoon, sir.
You can try many things.
I am Jarvis on duty.
Get up. Like with this command, it is a normal type of waking up command like this.
Oh. Yes, Mr. Akshit, what can I do?
Open game.
Yes, sir.
So now it will be opening a game that I have written from myself. It is using C++.
Sir, the game is made with C++ by you. And it is awesome, best to play in free time and great example of coding.
So it has said from himself that what is this code for. So let it open the code. Yeah, I've used the code blocks to write this code, and if you want to make a separate video on opening the game, then say in the comments. So this is how it will open. Till then I will ask some more commands to him. You can see there is a list of commands here. So it can also write a document and it can also read a document. So I will try this thing also. Write a document.
Please say the title for the document.
YouTube.
Please say the content for your document.
You are Jarvis and I have made this. Like, subscribe and share this video, and just do whatever you want to do, but don't trouble me, man. So now it is rising and it will automatically write in the document and it will open too. So you can see. So now it is opening my Word and I can see how my work is being printed. If I want, then I can not open this to automatically see. So you can see it has written everything. Let it come to the listening part. Speak the document. Okay, sorry. I've told something wrong. I have to tell read the document. Read the document. Okay. Come to listener. While it is recognizing, read the document.
Which one I have to read?
YouTube.
You are Journeys and I have made this. Like, subscribe and save this video and do whatever you want to do, but don't trouble me, man.
So you can see it has written every single word of this thing, and it is very much interesting for me. You can also run hardware part that I will show you also, and games. Okay, games part. So this is my game. You can see this is the TikTok 2 game. I will make it run and show you that how it will run. So it is also executable program, and this is the tic-tac-toe game. If I will press 1 and then enter, then X will be printed here, and if I will press 2, then 0 will be printed here. Like this wise, if it will make a pattern, then it will execute itself. And write player 1 wins or player 2 wins. So if you want that video, please comment. Now it can open also websites. Now there is an interesting thing, another something.
Arduino running.
Oh, I don't think that when I've told this run hardware thing, it automatically imported Arduino. Listing the word, it will execute the program that you are searching for. But in the as I've not inserted the Arduino, so it will not. So in the part 2, I will describe that how the hardware can be being used by my Jarvis program. So stay tuned with my channel too. So I have to run it again. So by the time if it is morning, then good morning it will say, good afternoon
Good
and good
afternoon,
evening.
sir. I am Jarvis on duty.
So what I was going call Friday.
Yes, sir.
So
Calling
Friday
Friday.
is my another assistant for maths that I've created it. It has a female voice.
Good afternoon. I am Friday, your assistant for maths.
So it is
Enter the
generally
first number,
for maths.
please.
I have to enter first number 24.
Enter the second number.
And I have to second
The sum
number.
of the numbers given is. The difference of the numbers given is. The
So you can
multiplication
see
of the
all the
numbers given
results
is.
are being printed down
The division
here.
of the numbers given is.
And it will automatically break itself. So I can also use some other programs. There are as many programs that you cannot think of, and it is very hard to remember all these programs. So these are all my websites. If open Stack Overflow inquiry, I will tell then in the web. So that was my Jarvis program. If you want to know more about this thing, then please comment and please share a like, because it took me 2 nights, 2 complete nights to write this program.